I'm outside in an AMG.
Y'all, it's August 25th, 24th, 25th, 26th, one or the other. Anyways, I had some friends over and I lost my cat. I had to let my cat out. She went missing, bro. I don't, like, this my baby. Like, I don't, like, she an indoor cat. She don't be outside, bro. And it's a lot of stray cats are behind my house. Like, it's, bro, they gonna give her something, bro. She not there. I found some clues though. She does eat a lot, and it's a lot of cat food over here. But it's a lot of cat. I see cats in this bush, but it's not Blossom. I don't see Blossom nowhere. She's gray, which if she is in the bush, I'm probably not gonna see her anyway. I see a gray and white one right here, but they all hiding in the bush and stuff. Like, I don't, bro. I can't, bro. I lost my baby. Blossom. 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 So I found a trail of food and stuff right here, and it's like, it's cats in there, but I can't. Blossom. Blossom. I just seen the cat go under there. It's somebody's house though. I don't want to. Blossom. It look abandoned though. There's two kitties right here. Yeah.
And tell him you're looking for. He's got tons of cats down there.
Okay.
He might have seen him because he feeds. He walks around, feeds all the
Cats and stuff
wild
around?
cats.
Oh, okay. You said where he at?
The next trailer behind this one, knocking this door right here.
This one right there.
The first one.
Hey, sir. How you doing? The gentleman down there, he told me to come and talk to you. I got a gray cat. She's an indoor cat. I live over there in them townhouses that, my friend had let her out. She never been outside or whatnot, and I can't find her. He let her out last night, and I thought probably by this morning she'll be, coming home or something. But she's all gray. She doesn't have her collar or anything on her because I took it off her because she always in the house.
Yeah.
But, he just said that you might have seen her or something.
You from that apartment right there? Okay. You said a gray one?
She's all gray.
Bigger or smaller?
She's bigger. She's probably a little bigger.
Okay.
She's one.
Yeah, I haven't seen her today,
Okay.
but I'll keep an eye out for her.
I appreciate you, sir.
And
Yeah,
you said what number are you in?
on
Okay.
front of him. Yeah,
Okay.
she's got like yellow eyes or
Yeah,
whatnot.
I'll keep an eye out for her.
Bro, it's nothing but cats around here. He has like 30 of them. What the fudge? And none of his have collars on. Blossom. And then there's so many spots back here for her to just hide, and she's not going to come out. This one is abandoned though. Blossom. Blossom. Bro, she's gone, bro. She's gone. She's gone. Is this her? I thought I just seen a gray cat. Nope, got white on her. Gray and white. Blossom. Have you seen Blossom? Gray cat. If you see a gray cat, bring her to me. Surprised her fat ass ain't over here eating. She eat all my stuff. Blossom. Blossom. If y'all see a cat, man, a gray cat, she ain't got no collar on her right now. Yellow eyes, contact me. 319-529-6477. What the fuck? My cat is gone. She's gone.